Morning, Amberly.
Good morning.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be a 5-year-old?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? So it's a little bit later in the day, and Amberly's really into unicorns and pinks and purples. So we decided to get her a unicorn cake, mainly after My Little Pony, one of her favorite shows. So we're gonna go see how it looks. This is not like from a big box store. It's from a person that Lisette, my girlfriend, found online. And she always makes really good cakes. So we'll see how this one goes. Oh man, this cake is ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So we're just gonna head back to the house real quick and put the cake away before anything serious happens to it. But this cake looks amazing, and I know she's gonna really love this cake. I can't wait to see her face.
Oh, you got a sim thingy too?
Yeah, it came with it.
Oh, cool.
We got Amberly a Nintendo DS.
No.
Switch
Lite.
A Nintendo Switch Lite. They're friggin' overpriced right now because of the whole COVID thing. They're like $100 extra. They're supposed to be like the low end of the Nintendo line, and they're not. Do you want to wrap, or you want me to wrap it?
No, I will film you wrapping it. I love to watch you wrapping presents.
Okay.
So you have a 5-year-old.
I know.
How do you feel?
I don't even know if I have grasped it yet. A 5-year-old. So crazy.
Yeah.
5 years ago today. Had no idea.
And now you have a kindergartner. You look like such a dad right now.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I was going for that this morning. So I got the shorts.
Oh yeah. The cargo shorts.
Yep.
Looks like you barely even measured, and it's like perfect amount of paper.
That's how it's done. Wait, did we forget anything?
No.
Rainbow Dash? Or is that just a unicorn? That's Princess.
Is it everything you've ever wanted?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amberly. Happy birthday to you. And that was Amberly's 5th birthday party. She is now a 5-year-old, and oh my gosh, time has just flown by. 5 years already. It's crazy. I'm excited to see what the next 5 years bring. I'm extremely proud of my little baby girl. She has grown to be such a sweet, loving, and caring person. She's just full of love, and I'm proud of her for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon, and until next time.